Welcome to One Man Army. I'm Rohit Shah, one of the builders behind it. Let me show you what we made. Three of the most used AI agents on the planet. One dashboard live in minutes. Working for you or working for clients who pay you every single month to set this up. Before I show you the dashboard, I want you to understand why we built this. The three bots are Paperclip, OpenClaw, and Hermes. These aren't random little AI tools somebody threw together last week. This is OpenRouter. It tracks how much these agents are actually getting used across the whole world. Look where they sit, right at the top. Hermes alone has used more tokens than the rest of the top 5 agents combined. That's combined. And that's not hype, that's real usage from people running real operations. And because they are open source, they are some of the most starred projects on GitHub right now. Updated constantly, getting better constantly. So the demand for these bots is already here. So why doesn't everyone just run these themselves? Because it's brutal. If you try to set this up yourself, you have to deal with servers, Docker, API keys, credit, security, updates, and keeping everything online 24/7. And a laptop won't cut it. Your laptop shuts down, your internet drops, things break, updates change. And if you're setting this up for a client, you can't exactly tell them the bot only works when your laptop happens to be open. Then there is the risk. One security slip on a server doing real work gets expensive fast. That's the part people don't see coming. And on top of all of it, the AI model itself costs money wherever you run it. So here's the real value. It was never just getting access to these agents. It's making them easy to deploy, easy to run, and easy to sell as a proper AI automation system. That's exactly why we built One Man Army. Here's the whole setup. Watch how fast this is. I pick a bot, I choose complementary AI access. That's the model access included, so there's no wallet to load. I click create, that's it. It's spinning up. Let me do the other two while that runs. OpenClaw, Hermes, a couple of clicks each, and done. Three world class AI agents live. No Docker, no server to rent, no API key to hunt down. We host it, we secure it, we keep it updated. What takes a developer a full weekend, you just did three times in under a minute. Now, let me show you what these actually do. And as I go, keep one thing in mind. Everything here you can also do for a client and charge for it. Start with Paperclip. This isn't a chatbot, it's an AI company. I give it a goal. Let's say run an AI automation agency that sells to local businesses. I hand that to the CEO. And the CEO doesn't just answer me. It plans, it works out which role it needs, and it asks to hire them: a sales agent, a solutions engineer, and account manager. Nothing happens until I say yes. I approve. And now I've got a team. A real org chart, all working towards the goal I set. Need more firepower? I can drop in a ready made specialist in seconds, like one that creates images. Deployed, done. That's the part that's different. You're not talking to one assistant, you are running a company. You stay in command, the team does the work. Next, OpenClaw. This one's the field operator, the one that goes out and does things. Watch this. I'll ask it to find me a new dentist in New York who'd benefit from AI automation. with their phone number and their website. And there they are, a prospect list in seconds. Think about what that actually is. That's your client pipeline. People sell lists like this. Your bot just built one while we were talking. Now, Hermes. Hermes is the memory, and it's quietly the most valuable one. Every other AI tool starts from zero every time. You re explain your business every Monday. Hermes doesn't. It remembers. Watch. I'll load in a client, ABC Dental in New York. Their tone, their offer, their audience, Hermes saves it. It knows that client now for good. And here's where it pays off. I'll ask it, based on what you know about ABC Dental, build a one page marketing plan, make it client ready, and email it to me. And look, there's the plan, clean, formatted as a PDF, and it just emailed it to me from my own verified domain. That's a deliverable an agency charges $300 to $500 for. Then, in about a minute, by a bot that already knows the client. And none of this is chained to your desk. I can hook Hermes up to Telegram and run the whole thing from my phone. I fire off a task from Telegram, find today's AI news, and post it on my X account. And it's done. Post it. That's the difference hosting makes. It's running around the clock while you sleep, while you're sitting with a client. The work just keeps going. So let's talk about the real opportunity here. Everything I just showed you, finding leads, remembering clients, building plans, posting content, running a whole AI team, every bit of that you can do for other people. Local businesses, founders, agencies, they're all looking for exactly this right now. And they'll happily pay you every month for it because they understand the truth. Hosting costs money, AI access costs money, security and updates cost money. Agencies are charging $5,000 a month to set up the exact system you just watched. People are doing single setups on Upwork for $500 to $2,500 each. You get commercial rights from day one. Use it for yourself or install it for clients and bill them monthly. It's your call. So that is One Man Army. Three of the hottest AI agents right now. Paperclip to plan, OpenClaw to execute, Hermes to remember and improve. All deployed from one dashboard, hosted for you with complimentary AI access included. You can use it to run your own work faster, or you can sell AI automation systems to clients with commercial rights included. This is Rohit Shah, the builder of One Man Army. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you inside.